Hi, here I have a new coloring book to review for you, and the book was kindly sent to me by the artist Nodira Gofurova. And this is a book dedicated to the theme of books and libraries, and I always loved books since the childhood, and I like libraries, so of course I wanted to make a review of this book. The size is A4, and I really love this pinkish violet color of the cover. Inside we have 24 hand-drawn illustrations, and Nodira worked first with the pencils and then with the inks. So illustrations are one-sided. On the first page we have nice words from the artist. Nodira's artist name is Colorinodi, and the same name has her site. I will leave you a link, colorinodi.com. So let's start our travel in the world of the libraries. The artist style is very interesting, and it definitely reminds me about the drawings which always decorated libraries in my school, in my childhood. Something dedicated to the books, to the autumn time where our school time started. So we have nice paper, nice tooth of the paper, and nice thickness, and it will be suitable to use any of your favorite art supplies because pictures are one-sided, and you can use any watercolors or pencils. It's nicely glued together, and you're able to open it and lay flat. The paper is warm off-white color, and inside we have all pictures dedicated to the libraries, but with different detailization. So some are simpler, some are more detailed, and it will take you more time to finish them. A very cozy and nice library with a chimney inside. Even the hedgehog is a lover of books. Here we have an underwater library, a very interesting idea. And this one reminds me of the child drawing dedicated to each season. And I think this one was inspired by the motherhood of the artist. I believe that Nodira Gofurova is from Uzbekistan. So it's a very beautiful and intricate design here. And of course we have lamps inside the library and a lot of bookshelves. I love owls. And here we have even the cloud library. This one, I believe, is the science library. And even the space library. The bunny is very cute. Here maybe we have the part of the library dedicated to the small children and the fairy tales. Oh, this one is very interesting. It's a bubble library. And of course a lot of books, and you probably know that I love gardening, so the gardening section of the library probably is one of my favorites. So here you have the ancient library, the classic time library and modern time. This one is very cute. Again, here we have some information from the artist about where to find all the works from this book, so I will leave you a link to the site and to the Instagram page in the info box below. So there was my new coloring book dedicated to libraries and reading, and I was very grateful to the artist for the possibility to review this book, and I wish you a good day and all joyful experience around your books, around your pencils, and until the next videos. Thanks for watching.